Hints on alternate picking. In the beginning, upstrokes might feel odd and unnatural, so here are a few hints. Holding the pick at an angle to the string rather than parallel to the string will make the pick glide over the strings more easily. Also, try to use the very tip of the pick. The more you sink your pick into the string, the more drag and friction it creates, which makes it hard to pick smoothly and consistently. The picking motion should come from your wrist rather than your forearm, like this. You can rest your palm over the top part of the bridge for additional support and use it as a pivot point. You can also experiment with different kinds of picks. Generally speaking, harder and smaller picks are easier and more precise for alternate picking single notes, while softer and bigger picks flex too much, making them a bit more difficult to control, but they're great for strumming chords. There are no rules of when you should or shouldn't use the alternate picking technique, but it's recommended that you switch to alternate picking when you feel that your picking hand can't keep up with the tempo of a song. It's also recommended that you use alternate picking as much as possible when you practice, as this will help you a lot as you progress as a guitarist.